Did Santa come? Is that you? Oh, that's your bag, Trista. It isn't. Okay, there's earrings right there too. Khalees, go get your bag of toys and stuff. Yeah, those are for Khalees. Oh, I don't know. They're glow-in-the-dark ones. Very cool. Santa was here. He was. He must have left. He left all these presents. Holy moly. That's Khalees's. Has Khalees's name on it. Wow. Are those nerds?
I think so. I don't know if they're beads.
Trista, look in your bag.
Trista, here.
Look at your bag. Look at, there's probably nerds in there. Santa makes everything equal.
And nerds in there?
I don't know. Open it. Dump it out.
What's that?
What's this? Mighty beans.
Oh, those are the good candy canes.
Oh.
Where are those? It's mighty beans.
Charlie, look. I find it for you.
Those are yours, Trista.
It's yours.
It's mine.
No.
Look, that's
Well, you got Starburst.
mine.
You call it Starburst, please.
Candy can.
You got Starburst.
Seed.
Oh, a purse. You got Starburst and a purse. It's a purse. It's your purse.
Chocolate. What else is in there?
Yummy, I want these.
What's these? Oh, Mama.
It's all in here.
Oh, you got Fun Dip?
You got earrings, please. You got earrings.
Wow.
What are these?
Merry Christmas.
I want some. I want